Have you ever stepped into a home that feels like it was designed straight out of your dreams? Today, we're exploring a model house that redefines modern luxury, from its outclass exterior that makes a bold first impression, to its interior where every corner speaks the language of elegance. This isn't just a house, it's an experience. Stay with us till the end, because you're about to discover design ideas and lifestyle features you've probably never seen before. From the outside, this model house is nothing short of breathtaking. A masterpiece, blending natural stone, wood textures, and sleek glass panels that catch the sunlight beautifully. The driveway is wide enough for multiple cars, while the landscaping around it adds freshness with manicured lawns, shrubs, and accent lighting that glows at night. The grand entrance door is tall and bold, often a pivot-style design, making it both stylish and welcoming. Even before you step inside, the house sets a tone of sophistication, a promise of what's waiting within. As soon as you step through the front door, a sparkling Mimi chandelier hangs overhead, becoming the centerpiece of the entrance. The flooring, often polished marble or imported tiles, reflects natural light from the large windows, giving the space an airy feel. Moving into the living area, the open-plan design immediately stands out. Plush sofas, a carefully designed ceiling with recessed lighting, and a modern media wall make this area perfect for both family relaxation and entertaining guests. The neutral tones of the furniture are balanced with pops of color in cushions, rugs, and wall art, giving the space life without overwhelming it. Every dream home needs a dream kitchen, and this one doesn't disappoint. The centerpiece is the island counter, wide, sleek, and perfect for casual breakfasts or entertaining guests while cooking. High-gloss cabinetry hides storage cleverly, keeping the space clutter-free. Built-in appliances like an oven, microwave, and dishwasher blend seamlessly with the design. Now let's head to the drawing and dining area, which flow seamlessly into each other. The drawing room is where guests are welcomed. It has luxurious sofas, elegant wall paneling, and decor that strikes the perfect balance between comfort and class. Attached is the dining space, a grand table, enough to seat 6 to 8 people, sits under a beautiful chandelier. The open design allows easy movement between spaces, making family dinners or formal gatherings more inviting and memorable. But this house goes beyond the basics. A dedicated home office with modern shelving gives you a perfect work-from-home setup. The media room brings the cinema experience indoors, with recliners, a big screen, and acoustic walls. A small gym area is also included, so fitness is never out of reach. These thoughtful spaces show how the design caters to today's modern lifestyle needs. From its stunning exterior to its carefully designed interior, this model house isn't just about walls and furniture, it's about creating a lifestyle. Every detail, from the marble floors to the lighting, from the open living spaces to the private retreats, reflects elegance and functionality. This house sets a new standard for what dream living truly feels like. From the breathtaking exterior to the luxurious interior, this model house sets a new standard for dream living. Every detail, from the materials to the design flow, has been executed with perfection. If you've been imagining your perfect home, this one might just inspire your future plans. Would you love to live in a house like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And modern life construction. We can build what you desire.